Today we're going to be talking about top notes, middle notes, and base notes. We're talking about the structure of a perfume. Now, perfumes, the ingredients in a perfume are divided into basically three parts. The top note, which is the initial smell of the perfume. The middle note, which is the core of the perfume, sometimes known as the heart or mid note of the perfume. And finally, the base note of the perfume, sometimes called the dry down. When you spray a perfume on the strip, the initial smell of the perfume is the top note, and this is usually made of raw materials that are very volatile and very light, like orange, green leaves, light spices, light fruit, things like that, and they give the initial impression of the perfume. After that, we have the middle note of the perfume, comprising of things like flowers, spices, some heavier fruits, aldehydes, and the like. And this one forms the heart or the signature of the perfume. It is the very essence of the being of that perfume. Finally, you have the base note of the perfume, comprising ingredients like leather, like vanilla, like musk, like woods, like ambergris, like tar, like smoky notes, incense. These ones give the staying power of the perfume. They last on the skin. They give a depth and finishing to the perfume. So when we talk about the top notes, the middle notes, the base notes of the perfume, we're talking about the three stages of evaporation of that perfume. So when you spray a perfume, you smell at first a lot of the top notes, and then in the next 10 to 20 minutes, the middle note comes up, and that stays for a couple of hours. And then after that, you have the final stage of the perfume that lasts for hours and hours and hours, and that's the base note or the dry down. In the present world, the top note is very important in perfumery because it gives the first impression of the perfume. So when a perfumer is creating a perfume, he has to have that in mind, because in the present dispensation, a lot of people do not have the patience to wait for a perfume to fully develop. So the top note has to be the very convincing stage of the perfume when it comes to buy. Thank you for watching the video.